Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about safety items on your vehicle. As you know, we're deep into fall, heading into winter now. We're going to start getting some rain, and it gets dark earlier, and it's dark when you leave in the morning. You want your vehicle to be safe. You want people to see you, and you want to be able to see. Wiper blades. Here in Southern California, the sun really destroys wiper blades. So what we often recommend is to replace them at least once yearly. I typically like to go with the Euro style blade. They're a lot better quality and they do last longer. But if they're out of your price range, the other blades are just fine and can get you through the rainy season for sure. Light bulbs, you should have your vehicle checked regularly. If you have a light bulb that's out, headlight, replace the headlamp. It makes it easier for you to see, makes it easier for other people to see you, along with tail lights, turn signals, etc. You want to make sure all the safety lights are working on your vehicle. Keeps you visible, keeps everybody in your car safe and everybody around you safe also. If you have a broken mirror or fogged up headlamps, anything like that, we want to make sure and get that taken care of. We can service the headlamps and remove the fogging, keep you in good working order. In doing so, you'll be able to see, people will be able to see you.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.